Good afternoon from Murphy, North Carolina on this beautiful spring day with the birds a-chirping. Oh, yeah, the bird shuts up now. With the birds a-chirping, it's a beautiful day. All right, we're back to save you money. You liked the gun oil and the penetrating oil video. Thank you for that and the new subscribers. But I had Gary and Debbie ask me, Bruce, will it clean, lube, and protect, CLP? I said, well, a minimum. He said, well, we need some cleaner. All right. Here's our CLP, clean, lube, and protect. Generic, easy. Hey, get back there. But once again, to save you money. Because if you're not saving money, you know what you're doing. Anyway. Easy. Cheap. The ATF from the gun oil video, kerosene, mineral spirits, equal parts. So, Gary and Debbie, here you go. Now it says clean, lube, and protect, but I really don't. It's good cleaner, but I don't use it for the lube. That's why we had the gun oil video. Anyway, here we go. First, ATF. Now we're just using equal parts of each. No muss, no fuss. Alright, now that ATF kind of sticks a little bit in there, so we'll rinse that out. Good. Alright. Do. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. And finish off with a little kerosene. Now, of course, everything in this will cause cancer. Read the ingredients and all the labels. Everything we do causes cancer. You breathe, you get cancer. So, be warned. All right, where's my cap? Good. 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 Oh, that's beautiful. And there you have it, folks. Almost half a gallon economical. Kerosene. Current price $3.70 a gallon. We only used about 19 ounces. Mineral spirits, whatever that can goes for now. 4, 5, 6, I don't know. And of course our famous ATF. This is the generic ATF. It matches a Dextron 3. So once again, handle carefully. Everything is bad for you. But this, now, in a store, what would that have cost? 20 bucks? Here we did it for just a couple. So anyway, that's it for now. Quick, easy, greasy, and out the door. So, till later, folks. See ya.